This is Alan Farley from FX Empire. Illumina Corp, a NASDAQ 100 component, is trading higher by nearly 9% on Tuesday morning after raising first quarter and full year guidance. Looking at the price chart, the stock was engaged in a very strong uptrend into 2018, topping out right around the 350 level. Then it encountered quite a bit of volatility and trouble. It attempted to break out in 2019 and failed that breakout, dropping all the way down to about a 2 or 3 year low during the first quarter's 2020 pandemic decline. Stock returned to the prior high in the second quarter of 2020, broke out, getting up just above 400, and then failed to break out once again, dropping about 200 points into the third and fourth quarter. It resumed once again this two-sided action, returning to the prior high again at the start of 2021 and taking off in a very strong but a very brief momentum-fueled rally that jumped all the way up to 550 at the end of January, beginning of February. That marked the all-time high ahead of this corrective move that's taken the stock all the way down to the 50-week moving average. Now, the bounce of the 50-week is very good news. It tells us that the correction may be coming to an end and that this might be a good place to pick up shares. However, this is a monthly chart. If you move to this is a weekly chart. If you move to a monthly chart, the stochastic cycle is still very sell-oriented. In other words, it's going to, even though we have this weekly buy cycle going on, we have a monthly sell cycle because there's a lot of downward pressure on this stock in the past, say, 2 months. So yeah, we're getting a bounce off the low, and I think we may have hit a low for the cycle, but I suspect we're going to see a lot of sideways action through most of the second quarter while the stock builds a base for an assault above 500 later this year, maybe in the third quarter.